Ever seen a kicking workout that looks like a mix of karate, dance, and chaos? Watch this dude turn training into pure entertainment.
I'm obsessed with being the best version of me, and that's something I chase every single day. It ain't about trying to prove anything to anybody else. It's about finding who I am and knowing that's enough. I've come to realize that giving your best day in and day out is all that matters. And sometimes we lose sight of that trying to impress people who ain't even on our level. So for anybody out there, remember, you're enough, man.
On to the comment section.
Aló, hola, Carlos. Hola, Carlos.
Thanks for watching. If those kicks made you laugh or flinch, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun. See you in the next one.